All right, if you're like us, your dog urine is in pollen, dust, pretty much everything on the outside. That's why we end up getting one of these. This is a filter system, and we're gonna set this up right now. Now, out of the box, you gotta do a couple of things, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do. All right, this is for both ends. All right, not just the front, but the back. All right, they're both the same equally. All right, so I'm gonna show you. All right, when you first get it, you have to remove the plastic that's covering the actual filter. This is a must, right? Now, be sure to set this up properly. See how it goes in there. Make sure that these things are ready to pull out. Then what you want to do is close it from the bottom here, all right? And it locks it in place. You do the same thing in the back. When you remove it, same thing. You remove this, all right? Now, there's only one way these things can go. You could actually see through the actual filter, but if you cannot see through the filter, it's because you need to replace it. Now, I'm gonna set this up right next to my dog because he brings in all the dust. All the controllers are set up here. You can set up your timer and you can lock it in place. Now, air quality. This thing has an automatic filter that's going to tell you how good the quality is, all right? As soon as you turn it on, it tells you exactly the functions. Here's actually a description of everything in here. Make sure you see the light, depending on the light, green to yellow to red. It depends on the air quality. So we're going to turn it on right now. And right now, it's green so far. It's going to automatically adjust its own self. And if you want night mode, it quiets down the actual system. And it tells you air purification right now. We're at 97, 98, which we're actually pretty good. Right here is the actual chart that you can see this. It automatically is going to self-evaluate. We're going to let it run by itself and let it filter because my dog brings in so much hair. But if you guys are looking for something like this, very simple, very quiet, and you can feel it right here. You feel the air right here, but it's all going to be fresh, clean air. Sucks in through both sides, in the back and the front. It's perfect if you have your dog. You can set this near him, leave it running for a couple of minutes, hours, depends on you want. You can set up your timer, your speeds, you can slow it down, and you could do quiet mode if you want it completely almost silent. This is very good if you have a lot of pollen, dust, and particles in your house. You'll collect them to here and the front and the back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.